Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Copy Device puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Hiroshi Yamamoto and made by Rex Rosana Perez from Laser Cut Acrylic. The Copy Device puzzle has difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to create two identical white areas using 3 parts. The Copy Device puzzle won a jury honorable mention at International Puzzle Party 34. It is a very clever puzzle with a very nice solution, but if you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that there are two similar parts, they are two identical parts, and they seem kind of perfect for this puzzle, since if you put them in some way, you will be able to create something nice or two absolutely identical areas. But when you add the third piece, it looks very odd, and when you add it to these parts, it creates very odd space, and it doesn't seem possible to find a way how to create two identical white areas using this part. But there is a solution. It is very nice, very beautiful, and actually when you find it, it is very simple, but it is not as easy to find it, since usually with such puzzles it is not just enough to find a spot for each piece, but it all sometimes very difficult to recognize the solution once you already assembled it. If you like the Copy Device puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.